XYZ Company, Mexico and Ireland Global Expansion by Erica LaCourse. Some of the advantages are language barriers are eliminated, better understanding of the country's local rules and laws, no hiring costs associated with visas. Some key reasons for Mexico are: Mexico is currently number 15 in the world for the economy. Second largest is the gross domestic products. 13th largest exporter worldwide. Economy is growing and unemployment is dropping. And Mexico is on the upswing and will rise to number 7 for economy by 2030. Listed on this slide are the positions for XYZ Company and some reasons why Mexico is a contender for expansion. XYZ Company is a manufacturing company, and the labor costs in China are forcing United States companies to move to Mexico. Mexico is improving their infrastructure, and malls are on the rise in this country. They are being eliminated in the United States. Here are some reasons expansion to Mexico would be good. Mexico is a bridge between the United States and Canada. XYZ Company will receive tax benefits in Mexico because companies that are in Mexico provide prepaid Visa cards to their employees. There is a thriving talent and consumer base in Mexico, which means United States companies will be successful in the manufacturing business. Some key reasons that expansion to Ireland would be beneficial are: Ireland has a workforce that is young and well educated, youngest population in Europe. Ireland works with Irish authorities for any employment permit and visas. Ireland is stable and pro-business and has the fastest growing economy. Ireland government is committed to keeping their public finances sustained. They are the 4th highest international workforce, ranks first globally, attracting and keeping talent internationally, and the ease of doing business. Ireland is an attractive and stable country to do business with. Listed on this slide are the positions within XYZ Company that are being considered for expansion. Ireland is ranked number 1 globally for attracting and keeping talent internationally. 16.5% of the total employment in Ireland are non-Irish people. Promoting productivity across the economy is a pillar of the government. Ireland is first in flexibility and adaptability in business. Ireland is advanced in their manufacturing, and there is an illustrated longevity for multinational businesses with over 20 years. Work visa requirements in Ireland. Now, no visa is necessary for the United States, but you'll need to go through the border control and get permission to enter the country from the immigration officers. In Mexico, a valid United States visa or passport is required. No work permit required if staying less than 6 months. A FMM form or a landing card will be needed to be complete upon entering the country. If planning to stay longer than 6 months, a visa will be necessary. Some of the benefits and separations in compensation laws. In Mexico, if a person works at least 1 month, they are then considered permanent. They cannot work more than 8 hours a day or 7 hours a night. If an employee works on Sunday, they get a bonus that equals up to 25% of their regular pay. They are entitled to paid vacations and holidays. Christmas bonuses are mandatory, and Mexico does not recognize employment at will. Ireland. Because of the agreement effective 9/1/1993, United States citizens that work in Ireland have Social Security protection. Employers are required to provide employees with the specific terms and conditions of employment in written form and within 2 months of starting employment. Working hours in a week are 39 and lunches are between 12 and 2. There are 9 public holidays that are observed, and Ireland does not recognize employment at will. Hiring local talent can be beneficial by offering the United States company people who can speak the language of the host country and offer help with any other barriers of being in a different country. Thank you.